Hello. In this KubeJS tutorial, I will be covering how to rename items and blocks in Minecraft 1.21.1 NeoForge using simple language files with KubeJS. We will walk through how to change in-game item names for both vanilla and modded content, giving your mod pack or project a more personal, polished touch. Also, this video is proudly partnered with Bisect Hosting. I will talk more about them a little later in the video, so stick around. So KubeJS lets you modify in-game language files with a clean and easy syntax through the ClientEvents.lang function. You will place this inside the client scripts folder, and as you can see, I have a new JavaScript file in there. This is important because it only works on the client side because it is purely a visual aspect. Here is the basic code to rename an item in the block. So before we get into the actual events, let's take a look at the function. So it's going to be ClientEvents.lang, and then we're going to put our language. So I speak English. I'm going to, in the United States, I'm going to do EN_US. You can, it's an easy internet search to find your language or whatever language you're doing for your modpack. And then our second argument is the event, and then the callback. So inside here, we're going to do event.rename item, rename item, and this takes in two arguments. So first is the full ID of the item we want to rename. So in this case, we want to rename the diamond, so we're going to do Minecraft diamond. And then the second argument is what we want to rename the item to. So this can be, there can be spaces. It's not a new ID. It's just a new name. So here I'm gonna call it shiny gem, and then that is our function there for item. For block, it's very similar, but it's going to be event.renameBlock. I'm gonna pass in Minecraft diamond block, and then I'm going to rename it to shiny block. So the event.renameItem function changes the display name of an item. In this case, where we are renaming diamonds to shiny gem. The event.renameBlock function works the same way, but for blocks. Here, the diamond block becomes shiny block. These changes only affect the display name you see in-game, like in your inventory, tooltips, JEI, or when you're hovering over blocks. In this example, we're using English United States, which targets American English. If your modpack supports other languages, you can duplicate this code with other language codes like DE_DE for German or FR_FR for French. Again, among others, and that's a simple internet search away. Before we finish up, though, I would like to give a shout out to my server hosting partner, Bisect Hosting. They support over 70 games beyond Minecraft, but if you need a Minecraft server, Bisect Hosting is definitely the go-to choice, especially. You can pre-install over 2,000 mod packs, including your custom ones. Basically any relevant mod pack. They offer 24/7, 365 expert support for both servers and mods. You have full file access for easy tweaks. They provide global server locations for optimal performance and advanced DDoS protection to keep your world safe. You can get started with your own server by using my affiliate link, which you can find in the description. It helps support the channel and get your Minecraft server up and running in minutes. But now let's conclude the video with some final notes. Again, renaming items and blocks with KubeJS is a great way to customize your Minecraft experience, whether you're building a full mod pack or just tweaking names for fun. Remember, keep this in client scripts. It only affects visuals. Functionality stays the same. And you can rename modded items too, but just use their proper IDs. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below. Also, big thanks again to Bisect Hosting for supporting the channel. Reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.